Good afternoon, everybody. Just down here on the platform, waiting for train number 5. Just got off work a little bit ago, and just going to do a quick update on this mural. They've come quite a ways on this since the last time I recorded it, so just a quick update on this mural they're painting down here. Looks like we got all the way to the left there. Might not be able to see it, but it looks like a cowgirl riding a horse. And we got John Muir sitting on a hill overlooking his house there. Probably can't see it. Some flowers and some writings with love. There's a couple other things there on the other side of the bars that I can't quite make out. Then, of course, it says, "Welcome to historic Martinez." We got the train, some water, some flowers, and then a baseball player. I'll let you guys guess who that is, or who it's supposed to represent anyway. But yeah, pretty nice little mural they got here. Doesn't look like it's quite finished yet. Can't wait to see it finished. Here comes train number 5. The California Zephyr. And 57 in that order. No baggage today. And nobody getting off the sleepers. Just a good handful of people getting off down there in coach. They pulled up right on time at 4:05. Take that back. A couple gentlemen just got off the sleeper. Handful of people getting off here at Martinez this afternoon. Three sleepers, diner, lounge car, and 2 coach cars.
clear. Milepost 31.4. Track 1. No defects. Detector out.